If you want to create your own custom GPT in 2025, I'll walk you through the full process step by step and give you a quick review of how it works. First of all, make sure your ChatGPT account is upgraded to Plus and updated to the latest version. Once that's done, open your browser and sign into your account. Then go to the Explore GPT section. After that, tap on Create to start building your own custom GPT. Then you can customize your GPT with a name, description, and instructions that guide how it responds. You can also add knowledge files or connect APIs if you want your GPT to have extra information or special capabilities. Once you've set everything up, click on Save and your GPT is ready to use. You can keep it private for yourself or publish it so others can try it. Now, as for the review, custom GPTs are a powerful way to personalize your AI experience. They're easy to build, require no coding skills, and give you control over how your GPT communicates and what it can do. Follow these steps, and your own custom GPT should be up and running in no time. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.